Every manager faces one critical challenge: taking the right decision at the right time. A single wrong decision can cost crores, while a right one can build a brand for decades. So, how do managers decide logically when the future is uncertain? That answer lies in one of the most searched topic in management education, the decision theory model. In this video, you will clearly understand this model with real company example. What decision theory model means? The decision theory model is a scientific approach to decision making, where managers select the best possible alternatives by logically evaluating outcomes, risk, and expected results. Instead of emotions of guesswork, this model relies on data, probability, and rational thinking. That is why it is widely used in strategy, finance, marketing, and operations. The core idea of decision theory is rationality. Managers clearly define objectives, list alternatives, evaluate consequences, and then choose the option that maximizes results. For example, Tata Motors evaluate multiple alternatives like electric vehicles, hybrids, and fuel efficiency before heavily investing in EVs. This rational evaluation helped Tata Motors become a leader in India's EV market. There are three conditions of decision making. Number 1, decision under certainty. Here, outcomes are known in advance. For example, when Indian Oil Corporation invests in government-approved fuel infrastructure projects, return and demand are largely predictable. Number 2, decision under risk. Outcomes are uncertain, but probabilities are known. For instance, Amazon launches new products using past sales data and customer analytics. Most business decisions fall under this category. Number 3, decision under uncertainty. Neither outcomes nor probabilities are known. A classic example is Netflix entering original content production. No one knew which shows would succeed, yet decision had to be made with limited information. One of the limitations of decision theory is that it assumes complete information and rational behavior, which is not always practical due to time pressure and human bias. Still, it remains one of the most powerful model for managerial decision making.